Students, see, today we are going to learn about module number 12, direct, indirect speech, interjections and questions tags. So first we are moving on direct, indirect speech. Okay. So what is direct, indirect speech? Do you know? So see, direct speech is when a speaker is speaking and he is telling. Okay. And what is indirect speech? Indirect speech or reported speech is used when we tell or report something that was said. Okay. Means see here there are two person. Okay students, so see what is direct speech. Okay, there are two ways of reporting what a person has said. Okay, first one is the exact word of the speaker, and second one is words in our uh, own sentence. Okay, means not exact word. Okay, so there are two ways. If there are, see the example here, if there are two person, okay, Rima and Ravi, so Ravi is telling what the Rima say in exact word, so that is direct speech. Okay, and what is indirect speech? If Ravi convert the sentence, okay, in his own word what Rima said, so that is indirect speech. See here I am going to give you one example of direct speech and indirect speech. Okay, see here there is one girl, Rima, Reena. Okay, see there is one girl, Reena, and she is telling that I am going for a trip. Okay, I am going for a trip. So this is her own word, her exact word what she is telling, I am going for a trip. Okay, and here I am telling that there is a one boy, Ravi. Okay, and he is telling what the Reena is telling in his own word. Okay, so how he will tell? He will tell Reena said that she was going for a trip. So this is the Ravi changed these words into her own words. Okay, Reena said. So he didn't tell here exact word of Reena. What was the exact word of Reena? The exact words of Reena was I am going for a picnic. But Ravi convert here these words. Okay, see here Ravi convert these words in a simple sentence, that is Reena said that she was going for a trip. So this is the direct speech, means exact word of the speaker, and this is indirect speech, means not exact word of the speaker. So this is the difference between direct speech and indirect speech. See another one example. John, I am reading a book. So students, this symbol is showing said. Okay, John said I am reading a book. So see here, this is the exact word of the John. Okay, I am reading a book. Now see, this is the direct speech because it is the exact word of the John. Okay, now see I am going to write this sentence, okay, in indirect speech. See here, John said that he was reading a book. Okay, so now you can see here this is not the exact word of the John. Okay, here I convert the sentence into another words. Okay, and here I put that also I convert the pronoun also there in the sentence that there was I. Okay, I am reading a book, but here I change into the pronoun also, then into the tense also, and I convert the sentence in my own words, that is the in means not in exact word. See, John said that he was reading a book. Okay, so it is indirect speech. Okay, so what is direct speech? Direct speech means exact word of the speaker, and indirect speech means not exact word of the speaker. Okay, now see where we use the indirect speech. So indirect speech or reported speech is used when we tell or report something that was said. Okay, means someone is tell something at that time there this is the indirect speech. Okay, because we sometimes we didn't say exact word of the speaker. Okay, we convert the sentence into our own words. So how to write the sentence? See example over here. Okay, so about the direct speech, see first example. Amar said, the boy, he there is a boy and name of the boy is Amar. He's saying, Amar said, I am going on a trip. Okay, so here this is the exact word of the Amar. What he said, I am going on a trip. Okay, and see here, not exact word of the speaker means indirect speech. Amar said that he was going on a trip. So here there is a boy, Amar, and here there are two another boys. Here there is no Amar. Okay, these two boys are talking. We will consider that he is Sa, he is Samir. Okay, and he is Yash. Okay, these Yash and Samir are talking. Okay, and what they are talking? They are talking about the Amar. See here, Amar said that he was going on a trip. Okay, so this is the indirect speech because the person is telling to him what Amar said. Okay, so there are the exact word of the speaker, and here there is no exact word of the speaker. So this is direct speech and this is indirect speech. Okay, now next one. Yes, see, reported speech is not enclosed in quotation marks. Okay, I told you that direct speech we always write in double inverted comma, and first letter of the sentence is always be capital. Means speaker begins with a capital letter. Okay, see here I am giving you one example. Okay, Rina said, I am writing a novel. So here, this is the direct speech. How to understand this is the direct speech or indirect speech? See, when we write direct speech at the time, we add double inverted comma. Okay, double inverted comma. Okay, and see exact word of the speaker, and see it start with the capital letters. Okay, these all three things we learn in direct speech. But see, what about the indirect speech? See, in indirect speech, we do not use double inverted comma. Okay, this we do not use in indirect speech. Okay, then again we put that as a conjunction. Okay, while writing indirect speech. And next one thing is, we do not write reported speech by using capital letters. Okay, we do not write that reported speech. What is the exact word of the speaker? We do not write in indirect speech by using capital letters. Okay, so this is also very important. So see, reported speech is not enclosed in quotation marks. Okay, now the word that is used as a conjunction between the reporting verb and reported speech. See the example over here. Babita said that she wanted a book. Okay, so here this is direct speech or indirect speech. This is the indirect speech. Okay, so in this sentence, Babita said, it is a reporting verb. Okay, so said is a reporting verb. Babita is a girl. Okay, it is a noun. And Babita said that she wanted a book. Okay, so in the sentence, said is reporting verb, and what is her word? That she wanted a book. That this is the reported speech, and that is a conjunction. Okay, said is reporting verb, said is reporting verb, that is conjunction. Okay, and she wanted a book. This is reported speech. See, reporting verb, conjunction, and reported speech. Okay, so our rules are depending on that reporting verb. Okay, and see, students, when we are going to write the direct indirect speech, so while writing in direct and direct speech at that time, some rules are very important. Okay, so rules we will learn in the next lecture. Okay, students, so till here, do you understand or have you any doubt?